Hello, this is question 13 on your mixed exercise 1 from year 13, and you have to find the values of constant A, B, C, and D in this identity. So you have a cubic here is going to be equal to a linear factor multiply this quadratic plus a constant. You could potentially expand these brackets, simplify a bit, and then compare each of the coefficients. So the coefficient of x cubed, and this is an identity, the coefficient of x cubed here is going to be the coefficient of x cubed here, the x squared is equal to the x squared, and so on. And you will be able to find the coefficients that way. And that's completely fine, but I think it's slightly faster if you notice that what we are doing here is really writing the result of a division. So if we divide this polynomial by this one, that means that this polynomial can be written as the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. Yeah, so I'm going to do long division and you're going to see in a minute. So we are going to divide x cubed minus 6x squared, and that's, I think, faster. So we are going to divide by x minus 2. So x cubed divided by x squared. Multiply, so x cubed minus 2x squared, and subtract. So these two are gone, and minus 6 minus minus 2 is minus 4x squared. Divide again, so minus 4x squared divided by x is minus 4x. Multiply by both, so minus 4x squared minus, positive 8x. Subtract. These two are gone, and 11 minus 8 is positive 3x. 3x divided by x is positive 3. 3 times x, 3x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. Subtract again. These two are gone, and then I have 2 minus minus 6 is 8. This means that this polynomial here can be written as the product of these two plus the remainder, like in any division. Yeah, so when we divide a number by another number, this number can be written as the divisor times the answer plus the remainder. So that means that we can write x minus 2 multiplied by my answer plus my remainder. Yeah, so this thing here is equal to this one. Just dividing, which means A is 1, B is minus 4, C is 3, and D is 8. Yeah, and that's what we should answer. So A is 1, B is minus 4, C is 3, and D is 8. Yeah, and that's all with this question. I think it's easier and faster dividing, but you still can multiply the coefficients and equate. And that's it. That's all.